The town was enclosed with a strong wall. The enemy was unable to capture it. These are the two separate sentences, and we have to join these two sentences into a simple sentence. Look at the answer. The town having been enclosed with a strong wall, the enemy was unable to capture it. We have used here nominative absolute to make it a simple sentence. The town having been enclosed with a strong wall. We have used nominative absolute here, and thus the sentence has been joined into a simple sentence. He saw me, he smiled. These are the two simple sentences, and we have to use participle here to rewrite the sentence and join these two simple sentences. Look at this answer. The answer is seeing me, he smiled. Actually, this is the base verb saw, and the present tense of this verb is see. So we have used here and we have added an ing to this main or base verb. Then we have written the next part of the sentence. So the joining is seeing me, he smiled. Seeing, this is the present participle here. The boy said, I was watching the crescent moon. We have to change the mode of narration in the sentence. Said, this is the reporting verb and this is in past tense. I was watching the crescent moon. This is the reported speech and this is also in the past tense. So we have to make this past tense, this reported speech, into past perfect continuous tense, as the reporting verb said is in past tense. This is the answer here. The boy said that he had been watching the crescent moon. He had been watching the crescent moon. This is in past perfect continuous tense. We have converted this reported speech, I was watching the crescent moon, this into this past perfect continuous tense in the indirect sentence. So the answer is the boy said that he had been watching the crescent moon. We call Subhash Chandra Bose Netaji. Change the voice. In this sentence, we is the subject. Call, this is the verb. Subhash Chandra Bose, this is an object. And Netaji, this seems to be an object, but this is not an object. This is a complement in this sentence. Because Subhash Chandra Bose itself is Netaji. And this word, Netaji, helps to express the meaning in this sentence. So, this word, Netaji, this word is not a direct object in this sentence. This is a complement. This is the answer here. We can write it in the passive voice. Subhash Chandra Bose is called Netaji by us. In this sentence, in this passive voice, Subhash Chandra Bose, this has come in the beginning of the sentence. Called, this is the past participle form of the main verb call. And then we have written Netaji. Netaji is a complement and this has been retained here as it was in the original sentence. We cannot work with this word Netaji. So this has been retained here. Then we have written by, then us. This us is the objective form of this word we. This is the subject here and the objective form is us. So the passive voice is Subhash Chandra Bose is called Netaji by us. Or we can write in this way, Subhash Chandra Bose is called Netaji. We need to write by us.